Today I'm going to show you how to set up the general settings as well as the print sets. Once you've logged in, select the name at the top right hand corner. Mine shows as administrator. Select the settings. Once you're on the settings tab, go ahead and select general settings. If you are the only user in the office, then you can select the override the return templates and enter the info on the tax preparer and the ERO tab. Otherwise, don't enter anything because you'll be able to do that with your templates. So the next one is the custom fields, and this is where you're going to be able to utilize different questions as far as like if you have any marketing out there saying how did you hear about us, TV, radio, then you can actually put it as a question so that way you can track what works best. So what you'll do is you'll select check here if using the prepare use form. Select the pencil for the prepare use field 1, select required, then enter the question. How did you hear about us? And then in the pick list value, you can put newspaper, radio, TV, friend, family, anything that you know that you have advertised, and then go ahead and select update. So that way this is in the return and the preparer can actually ask that question, and then you can pull a report to see what works best for you. The next tab, return stages. Very important, especially if you have any sub-users that only has the capability of doing just the return and not the capability of e-filing it or printing it out. So that way you can come in here and set the return stages like completed, friends and family, missing documents, questions, ready for review, so that way your reviewer can get into the return to be able to review it and set it to e-file. So all you're doing is entering the answers and then adding it, so that way your preparer can set it on the tax return tab as to what stage it is at. Your print sets. There's already sets in here, but if you want to go ahead and customize it, you can go ahead and select create custom print set, and you can choose which forms that you want to print out and as far as in what order. This is also where you're going to actually set up your custom state print sets. So once you select create custom state print sets, then you can go ahead and name it as state, and any states that you know that you're going to actually use, go ahead and select them, hit add to put them on the right hand side, and then select done. So that way when you go to print the return, the option to print the state set will be there as well, and you just have to select it. Carry forward templates, especially going forward when the new software comes out and you've already created your templates as far as the 2019 season goes, then all you need to do is come in here and go to carry forward, select carry forward, and bring over everything that you've done for 2019 into the 2020 season, so that way you don't have to rekey everything. It's already there. You'll just have to assign it to each of the users. So once everything is said and done, go ahead and hit save and close, and it'll bring you back to the settings page.